are pleased to show you the 2019 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, security system, power windows. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.